So guys, the wait is over. Yes, Redmi has launched its Note 5 as well as Note 5 Pro. So here are the live updates for the same. The phone has been launched in India and it will be exclusively available on Flipkart mostly in the next week. So please watch the video for all the specification and updates that they have given. So first of all, this phone is the first and the debut to come with the Snapdragon 636 as well as a dual camera. It has a wide full display that is of 18:9 and it looks so amazing. Colors are really amazing. Note 5 is the first Redmi phone that comes with a dual camera both front and back, and it do have a LED flash. Yes, the front camera comes with a 20 megapixel and the back camera comes with a 20 megapixel. So they have worked on the camera feature as well. So here are the 5 Pro colors that is available. The colors are amazing, guys. You can't miss these colors. Yes, it is gold, black, rose gold as well as lake blue. What else you need in this price? So it also comes with the Faceunlock. The iPhone lovers who can't afford them must buy this phone. Yes, they must go and buy this phone. So what will be the price for this amazing set? Any guesses, guys? Yes, it is just in budget. Here is the price. One is for 13,999 and another one is for 16,999. So what are you waiting, guys? Go and grab the phone. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I post my video. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my video.